make you happy. Hey, I gotta wait for my part to come on.
You're in this?
No. I'm not in there. Why would you even say that, bro?
Sorry.
Every time I'm with you. Every time I'm with you.
Bro, what the fuck? Pause this shit, bro. He serious? It's not a troll?
Oh God, it's not a troll.
That was on the album.
Yes. He put it on.
Hey, bro, listen. No, keep playing it because there's one part that go too crazy on this.
Okay.
I ain't know what.
You gotta keep playing it. You know,
I ain't
that
know
one
what.
part. Every time I'm with you, everything's here. Can you bring it back to me? Wait, don't feel the same. When I glide, I slide, I slip around. Listen to this note.
Okay.
Go crazy right here. Y'all ready?
Uh-huh.
Watch this. Try to be low key, stay away from the bull. I gotta stay focused. Too crazy.
Bro, what the beat your ass?
Okay, I'm done.
Hey, what's wrong with this nigga, bro?
Bro, put the mirror phone right now, bro.
Yeah, can you call the mirror?
Call the mirror, bro.
He not really mad at me, bro.
Are you for real?
He mad 'cause I told academics his song was trash.
Oh, so you told Ak it was ass?
Yeah, I mean, like,
You have his number?
Yeah.
Oh fuck, this is gonna be scary as fuck.
I ain't like
I
the
don't know
song.
if he'll pick up, though.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't like the song.
He makes it like the song. But he know it's trash, though, right?
Hey, bro, if I put a song out that was trash and my homie said it was trash,
But he know it's trash, though, right?
I don't know.
Wait,
Like,
so
ain't no way he recorded this and was
so
like...
hold on a second. Wait. So did he know when he put?
I think this song kind of grew on me, though.
This is my first time heard it.
Oh, you're actually calling him?
Yeah, called him.
He's declining you.
Nah, dude, he's
He ain't rocking with him.
probably busy.
He ain't rocking with